Good morning, Maya. Maya, hi. You dropped this on my head. Is it something you want? Or will you come and show everybody how you land on me in the morning? Even without a ball, Maya tends to jump all the way up. Step up. Step up. Maya. You gonna step up? You gonna show anyone, or you just gonna not? Oh, there we go. Come. Oh yeah. Oh, you're very heavy. Hi. Good morning. Hi, Maya. Don't steal him. You nearly took his nose off. Sunbeam's noises. Oh my god. Oh my god. The violence. The violence. Maya. You know, this is not your toy. He's actually not for you. Also, why did you bring me Zara's cushion from the other room? What do you want with this? You need a cushion of your own. You need a pillow of your own, do you? Jesus. The forces are strong with you, my girl. Mai. Come here. Do you want your ball? Do you want it? What are you doing? You are crazy. Yeah, you're crazy. My crazy puppy. Okay, I'm getting up.